Hey guys, what is up and welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Amanda and I am a third-year medical student. Today I'm walking you through how to set up the ANKI controllers. I personally have two. You do not need two by any means, but I use one for my laptop, one for my desktop. So today we're going to use the pink one and walk you through setting it up for my desktop. I use these to get through as many ANKI cards as possible. I think that it is one of the best purchases that I have made for my studying in a very long time. If you don't know what it is the 8-bit do one. There are many different ANKI controllers that you can pick out there, but this is just the one that worked best for me. It's small, it's handy, and it charges really quickly and it lasts a very long time, so I definitely recommend this one. I just found it on Amazon. It was anywhere from $10 to $15. Pretty reasonable when it comes to resources that you're buying for medical school, so I definitely recommend it. Okay, let's get into it. All right, there are many ways to do this, but you're gonna go into Google, you're gonna Google Carabiner Elements, open Carabiner, and you're gonna download it. Once you've downloaded it, you will see this window. So when you turn your ANKI controller on, you're gonna hold the start button and it's just gonna turn blue like that. That means it is on. And as you can see, it is popped up here in my elements. To ensure that you are properly in Bluetooth pairing mode, you're going to press the start button and you're going to see that it turns blue, and you can see on my computer it actually connected. But if yours doesn't, you're going to press and hold this select button. Hold it until you see the light blinking. And then you're going to come into your Bluetooth like normal, and you're going to see it and you're going to pair. And once it's paired, it will stop blinking. And that's when you know you could go ahead with the next steps. What I've done is I want to use the controller straight up, straight down. I also have a blue one, so that's why this one's called the pink controller. I use the blue one for my laptop and the pink one for my desktop just because the alternating got really frustrating. So that's not necessary. You can definitely just use one. Here we're gonna go in and we're going to add item. And you can see on the keys here, each key has a specific meaning. You're gonna take these settings and you're going to put them exactly into your Carabiner Elements like mine. What that's going to do is now when you open your ANKI cards, you can use this controller to press the space bars are on the side here. The X here is try it again. The A is for hard. The B is for good. Y is for easy. These ones you can use the same if you'd like, but I just have them set up. I haven't actually used these. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you, and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I hope that you enjoy your controller and your ANKIing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.